What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to view comments on YouTube Shorts, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So as you can see, we are doing a new series of tutorials about YouTube Shorts. So if we do not cover some topic, and we will cover many of them, make sure to write down in the comment section down below what you would like us to film next about YouTube Shorts. And if you have any problems and questions about any other specific app, make sure to write it down in the comment section down below and we will give it our best to help you out. So overall guys, how to view comments on YouTube Shorts, quite an easy task. So what you need to do is find a short, or if you even uploaded shorts, if you want to see comments on your own YouTube short, what you need to do is go to your section, bottom right corner of the screen on Android mobile devices, and then select your videos. From here on, click on the short you wish to view the comments, click on it, and basically select this comment option below, like and dislike. So let's repeat the process. So when you're on your page on bottom right corner of the screen where it says you, find the short, basically go to your videos, find the shorts, find the short you wish to view comments for, click on it, and just click on the comments which is beneath like and dislike button. So overall guys, that's the entirety of the process, and as I mentioned earlier, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. Guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.